big snowstorm has started. It's gonna snow for 2 days straight. We are out by the chickens because their water freezes, so we have to come and refill their water a couple times a day. Today, the chickens, half of them won't come out of the coop, and the other half that did are staying under the coop. I don't think they're a big fan of the snow out here. So we gave them some water inside the coop and some food inside the coop. And I also put some water and some food right underneath. See a couple of them are eating right now.
Yep, and I know. Amen.
You can see our chicken coop area has this nice net over it now. And we have not had hawks since. So it's been a lifesaver. It was a lot of work putting it over. We had to fence off about halfway through the chicken run because it was just too big of an area to net. But this seems to work really well. And the only area that does not have a net so far is where these trees are, which we eventually plan on trying to get a net over as much of it as we can because the hawks could just fly down in here. But we've got our owls decoys set up here and my scarecrow, and we haven't had any come in since, so it is gonna be a big snowstorm for a few days. It's about 4 hours after our last video, and boy, have we got more snow. What do you think of all the snow? Don't go in, that's the fire pit. You just can't tell. Come this way. Follow Mommy's tracks. Walking through Wonderland. Gonna bring the chickens some more water. Stock the wood stove again just in case. We might have to bring our skis out here soon. What do you think? Snowball fight first. Ah! He's gonna get me. Alright, made it to the chicken coop to give the chickens some fresh water this morning. It is a struggle. We got probably 10 inches of snow, followed by an ice storm, and then now some more snow. So every step is difficult because you basically start on top of the snow, and then when you take a step down, you either break through or you float. So it's an interesting lot just to get out here. I got the chickens some fresh water and some food, but their chicken coop door is frozen shut from the ice. So I'm crouching right now because I'll show you in a second, but yeah, their coop door is frozen shut, so they'll be inside today. But the crazy thing with the ice is we had put this netting over the entire chicken coop to keep the hawks away. And when the ice storm came, it basically put a layer of ice over the entire net, and it's so weighed down now. It's like making it so you have to like fall in here if you want to get around. Yeah, lots and lots of snow. Even this crazy ice snow. Yeah, probably a good thing that the chickens are stuck inside for the day. They probably need that anyway because it's kind of cold. And now they've got fresh water, and they've got some fresh food. Even though they always have food in there, it's very minimum. Alright, now the treacherous walk back. Just living the dream. Snowshoeing and skiing around our homestead. Good job, Bubs.
Look out to that.
So much snow. Probably just a foot.
Mom, go! Or you ski.
Mommy can't ski because she got the baby in her belly. She can snowshoe. Axel can ski.
I want a new map.
This way, Buzz.